In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Ray-Ban stories. Bam, here they are. They're in their charging case. I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to flip it over, upside down, open the glasses up. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see there's a little switch right there. You see how it's got a red dot? Now to turn them on, what I do is I push that switch over, just like this. And now we've got a little green dot, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set them back in the case, just for right now, just like that. And then I'm going to go to my phone, and I'm going to open up my phone to the app. If I go to the app, it's called MetaView. I'm going to click it, and you're going to notice it says the Bluetooth is off. All right, so what that means is I've got to go into my settings, and I've already got it set to Bluetooth. If you guys don't know how to do that, you just got to go to Bluetooth. And you're just going to click it, and it's going to tell you, bam, stories connected right there. That's what we want right there. You see that bad boy? We're in. All right, so now if I open this up, I should be able to see, look, I got 98% charge right now. And that's basically how you get your glasses going. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.